Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to craft fishing rods. First, you'll need to gather specific materials such as rod blanks, guides, and handles. Make sure you have the right tools available at your crafting station. Understanding the various rod types and their unique components is crucial for successful assembly. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can create the perfect rod for your fishing adventures. To begin, focus on gathering your essential materials. Rod blanks are the foundation, determining the rod's action and power. You'll also need a set of guides, which are crucial for smooth line flow and casting accuracy. Don't forget a comfortable handle and a sturdy reel seat to secure your reel. These components are often found through quests, vendors, or by disassembling existing equipment. Once you have your materials, head to the crafting station. Start by attaching the handle to your chosen rod blank, ensuring a snug fit. Next, securely mount the reel seat in its designated position. The most delicate step involves carefully spacing and wrapping the guides along the blank. Finally, apply a protective epoxy or finish to the guide wraps, which cures to a durable, clear coating. After assembly, it's vital to allow the epoxy to cure fully, which can take several hours. Once cured, gently test the rod's flexibility and ensure all guides are perfectly aligned. This is also your chance to add any decorative elements or personal touches, making your rod truly unique. With your custom-crafted rod complete, you're ready to equip it and head out for some fantastic fishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.